Day 2 at Intralogistics and Warehousing Expo 2026. Packed halls, powerful connections, and non-stop innovation. The future of logistics is happening here in Mumbai.
This is a great show. We are having so many visitors over here. A successful lead generation ground for us.
This is a wonderful show, giving us a platform to showcase our product, our new launches, and very well organized.
It was a pleasure involving into the IWE.
We have taken this as an opportunity to display our automated solutions.